Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I received an electric coffee grinder from a friend of mine. I've been trying to get one for a while to blend up some green powders. I've been doing it by hand until now. And now I will start using the little blender to blend my green powder for my smoothies. I also do my mushrooms to turn some of them into mushroom powder. This is going to come in handy for a lot of different things. So they know who they are, so thank you very much. Also, well, I don't, anyways, they were very kind in getting this to me. So just a quick video to show you my new electric grinder, and then I will start making my green powders and things like that, and it will be so much easier. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until then, you have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.